Oliver Mtukudzi was such a genius, and this is why. Check this out. So the parent chords go like G, E minor, A minor, D. Sounds familiar, right? That's that song that goes like, I love the mountains, I really like them. Boom, di-da-da, boom, di-da-da, boom, di-da-da, boom, di-da-da. I'm sure you remember that song. But let's tukufy the thing. So it's like, instead of, he plays the G like this. Normal, right? Until you get to the first string. And then there's a pull off. So you play the string and then you play it again using